Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to fix input not supported error in Windows. Type msconfig in Windows search bar. Click Boot tab. Tick on base video. Click Apply, OK. Restart your system to apply these changes, click Restart. Check your base video resolution. Click Start, Settings. Click System, Display. Your current base video resolution is 1366 x 768 resolution. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.